what's going to be the hottest topic at NAB 2025? So in 4 months, and what is the role of AI in the future of
No, you
streaming?
just answered the question. What's going to be the hottest topic in NAB
That's
2025?
exactly why I asked those two together. They came in from two different maybe it's the same person. I don't really know, but they're
I
two
mean,
separate questions. But
let's get it clear. So, I mean, I've been studying AI for decades. So if we go back to the history of AI, we start talking about folks like Minsky and Lanat and MIT and sort of what they were trying to do. And I've sort of been penning a blog post about renaming artificial intelligence to autonomous intelligence, because that's really what we want. We want, like, right now, the chatbot doesn't exist unless I engage with it. It's not doing its own thing and coming up with stuff and having. I don't open the chatbot and it doesn't say to me, "Hey, JT, how's it going, man? Hey, I saw this movie the other day." It's not an actual conversation. It's not autonomous. It doesn't operate on its own. So AI, for me, as we see it now, it's really just clever programming. Large language models and even more appropriately, small language models are fantastic. So the using these to create and using them against natural language processing to create ways that we can interact, fantastic. AI, so generative AI, so like looking forward as to how that might impact the streaming video industry, it will. Like, I really believe it has a place for things like content recommendations. Let's improve content recommendations. It has a place for personalizing clips that you want to see. Like let's say, for example, for a sporting event, or sporting events across a league. Like, I just want the recaps of everything. Like, what would interest me? AI can take care of that. You don't have to have a manual person sitting in front of going like, let's clip this part and clip this part and clip this part. So AI is going to be hot at NEB. 100%. And I think that will probably be one of the big stories. And it does have a role in the streaming video workplace. I think has a role on the edge. I think from an operational perspective, AI, the way we have AI built now, can really do well at predicting where things are going to go wrong and saying like, hey, based on all the data I can analyze in seconds that you as a human can't analyze in an hour, I can tell you this ISP is probably going to have an issue because we've been seeing these key metrics go down. You should deal with it right now. That's where I think AI is really going to be applicable, is in operations.